Since 2010, BDG Lifesciences has been empowering minds across the globe with cutting-edge workshops and training programs. From the vibrant culture of Mexico to the bustling cities of Malaysia, from the ancient wonders of Egypt to the serene beauty of Thailand and the futuristic skyline of Dubai, we've brought together scientists, researchers, and professionals to learn, innovate, and grow. Through these programs, we've created a global community of learners, shared cutting-edge knowledge, and provided hands-on experience that left a lasting impact. Our event photos capture the energy, collaboration, and achievements of these unforgettable moments. Now, when the Black Friday sale is live, unlock incredible savings with up to 70% off on all our programs. Don't miss this limited-time opportunity to elevate your skills and knowledge at unbeatable prices. Act now and start your journey today with world's leading bioinformatics training company,